Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options and USB debugging so the device accepts ADB commands. Once done, install ADB/fastboot platform tools on your computer and connect the phone with an original USB cable. Make sure the battery is over 50% to avoid shutdowns. Confirm the phone responds with a DB devices. You should see its serial. If it prompts for RSA authorization, accept it on the phone. This grants your PC permission to run the next commands. Next, remove the OTA update package using ADB and recovery. Reboot the phone into recovery with a DB reboot recovery. Once in recovery, mount the appropriate partitions or choose Apply Update via ADB sideload as needed. Then open a DB shell, navigate to /cache, /data/dalvik cache, and /data/system with ls to locate update. Zip or OTA files. Use rm with exact file names to delete the OTA package. Be careful to type paths precisely because these commands affect system files. This clears the downloaded update and notification. Finally, reboot the device with a DB reboot and verify the update prompt is gone. If the notifier returns, go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, and clear data for Google Services Framework and System Update. This forces the updater to forget the queued OTA. If problems persist or you see boot issues, reflash the exact stock firmware for your model using the official flash tool. This is the recovery path. If flashing, follow device-specific instructions carefully to avoid losing IMEI or bricking the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.